Welcome to this vacant land for sale in Marina Beach, Southbrom, South Africa for R350,000. Vacant residential land for sale in Marina Beach. The land slopes up from the road and is level at the top. Possible sea views from a double-story home. There is a house on the downslope on the seaside. Land is 1359 square meters in extent, light brush underneath. Good area, nice beach, and price has been negotiated to half of what the owner paid for it. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.